For NGOs and charities, ZetaFisc has a dedicated donation management module. It records donations received, both cash and goods, and donations distributed to beneficiaries, on a cash basis and aligned with international accounting standards. It is an optional add-on, so we open the module store, down here in the sidebar. Here is the store. We open the donation management module. Everything it includes is laid out: donor and beneficiary registers, cash and in-kind receipts, disbursement of goods at cost, and a full set of reports. It is a seat-based module, so you take a seat for each person who will use it, and it starts with a 14-day free trial. We start the trial now. A quick confirmation: 14 days of full access, no payment required. We confirm. Donation management is now active, on a 14-day free trial. From here we manage its seat or subscription, and it now appears in the sidebar under add-ons. Over the next videos we set up each part: the fiscal year, the stores, the accounts, seats for our officers, donors and beneficiaries, and then recording donations.